What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So in today's video we're going to be going over, the Mark 3 parts came in from Toyota. I ordered it like a month ago, and then it finally came in. Long story short, it's going to be like a hood strut, and it's like little small parts. So it's a hood strut and a battery clamp, basically to help hold the battery down. And then I ordered other parts from a company called Drift Motion. If you guys aren't familiar with them, they're pretty well known in the Mark 3 world, and they have like stuff for the Mark 4 stuff, for the Mark 4 car and the Mark 5, but primarily like I've known them from the Mark 3. Another person with the Mark 3 had mentioned them on Instagram. But yeah, shout out to the owner. His name is Aaron, and they have like really good customer service. I was gonna go pick up a part that I ordered for the Mark 3 today, but it wasn't gonna be in today, and I didn't want to get stuck in traffic. Like right now it is 4 o'clock, and Bricks is going to be coming over to my house right now to help me install these car parts really quick. But yeah, I wanted to say thank you to Drift Motion and Aaron, the owner, and the guy who was helping me on the phone. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You didn't say hi.
Toodles. Hello.
Alright, so Bricks came over to help me put the hood struts on the car. We still have to do a mod list of your car. Whenever you want.
Okay.
But the time that this video goes live, it'll be this guy's birthday.
We can just talk about it.
So yeah, it'll be this guy's birthday.
I'm not old.
No, but yeah, we're gonna be replacing the hood struts, so hopefully, we don't have to use this wooden bar anymore to easily like work on the car. Like I said earlier, I ordered some more parts from Drift Motion, and it's like the little things. It's just to have this car hopefully running on the street one day. So we're just gonna be fast forwarding it, I guess, for real quick. Okay, so we just watched a video, and then Bricks is just going to remove. In the video, the guy said that there was a spring, so we just removed that little piece, and then I'll hold the hood open.
You're gonna fucking kill me, bitch.
Sorry.
Then you forget about it. Dude.
Oh,
you motherfucker.
I
don't trust your ass.
No, I just wanted to see.
Nope. I trust the stick.
I just wanted to see if it actually would hold up.
Put that shit down, boy.
I'm gonna hold it. No, because we have to move it up.
Later, after I remove it.
Oh. You stuck it. You trust the stick more than me. It's messed up. I'm still gonna hold it.
Okay, that's fine.
So basically, yeah, Briggs removed the little clip at the top, and then I think they're both at the top. Oh yeah, there's two clips, one at the top, one at the bottom, and I think you just pull it out. Oh, those are the two clips. I think you just pull it out, right? I literally forgot what the video said.
He says
oh, see?
Just like that.
See? And you didn't want to trust me. Your head would have got fucking smashed.
Not really, because I'm holding this.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, you hold it though.
I'm holding it.
And it comes right off. Look at that.
See? Show them the old and show them the new.
Oh, one sec. Well, technically, some of them might see this because this is the OEM one.
So yeah, I ordered the OEM one. This is the one that took a month, and I ordered it at Toyota. But yeah, this is the new one. We're gonna put it in. So
yeah, some of yours might look like this, but like just shittier and older.
But yeah, so we're gonna be. That looks pretty new though.
This one?
Yeah. Nah,
I don't think this is OEM.
I'm probably just gonna throw it away. Yeah. To be honest. Whatever. But yeah, we're just gonna be replacing it, and then we're gonna be doing it on both sides. Alright, well, let's see.
So much slack. Sure this is the right part?
Well, that's what they told me.
I don't think this is the right part.
Dude, I waited a whole last month for this.
Because this is supposed to clip right in. I mean, that does, but what the fuck?
So something needs to hold that part down. Essentially.
Yeah, but the only parts we have left are like bolts. Does it hold it?
It like holds it, but how does it go down? You know what I'm trying to say?
There we go. I got it.
Oh. I mean, that works. But basically, we need something to that holds that thing in place.
I feel like we're missing something. Because it only came with these. Unless I'm going bugging out.
What? It came with this?
Yeah, all these. That's what it came with. This makes me... Oh, hold on, actually. I think we just gotta replace this, the whole thing. I see now.
But how do you...
No, I got it.
Can't say that. It's 2023.
But I called myself it. Does it matter?
I'm gonna bleep it. I don't want to get canceled.
Oh yeah, you gotta bleep it anyways. I'm autistic. You don't have to bleep that. You know what? I'm just gonna leave that one on. We don't have to remove it. Okay, cool. We're supposed to go up here and replace this. This one. This one replaces here. I get it.
Eureka. I must have some nice shoulders after this.
Oh, you?
So yeah, basically, I don't know if I recorded already, but Bricks is removing that little chest piece looking thing and nice. Absolutely magnificent.
Wait, I think I can get it.
I see it. It's under that like circle thing.
Yeah, I get it.
All right, whatever. Before Bricks dropped it, so basically, Bricks removed the chest piece looking thing, and then he's gonna replace it like with the other thing that we got, and it should work. Wait, that's not the chest piece looking one, is it?
No. Here, lift it higher.
Dude, okay, I'm sure.
Here. Lower. Nice.
Careful, SpongeBob.
Bitch. You know what? Here, to make it even safer, where did I put the other piece?
We're gonna have to get that bolt later.
Oh, yeah. Your fucking, this horn is in the way. Bro, what the fuck? You know what? Maybe I wasn't supposed to put this washer here.
Oh, why? It came with it. Or do you think the washer is supposed to go up top?
It's because the other one already has a washer, so I don't know where it would go up top either. I'm trying to make a use for this washer, and I feel like it's just useless. Watch me drop the washer too.
I feel like you would need it though. I mean, I don't think I had one before.
If the washer's on, this thing won't be able to go in all the way.
Oh, okay.
I hate your fucking horn, bro.
Yeah,
I feel like your car specifically is just different than all the other Supras. Can you lift it up higher? Oh, do I? Ooh. I just pinched my finger off.
Sorry. I'm short. Higher or what?
Oh, I got it. There we go. Yeah. Nice. There we go. Now it's fully seated. There you go.
Alright, so the first part is probably going to be fast forwarded. So Bricks is removing the two little coils. Well, one dropped onto the floor, at least it's not in the engine bay. And then... What's after that? I forgot. What's after? What's after that?
You just remove this.
Oh, you're just removing it. Do I need to hold the hood up again? So that get it more leverage?
That should come off. Oh yeah, hold it.
I'll hold it.
This should come right off up here. Yep, there you go.
And then we're going to be replacing those two bolts. One of them looks like a little chest piece at the top and one of them at the bottom. And then this should be a lot easier to work on.
Ciao. Oh shit. As far as I can see, there's no little clips like on his old ones actually.
Oh, it's all good. As long as this, I mean, it works.
Shove this up your ass, hold it right.
Alright, cool. Hey, yo, what the fuck?
It's your fucking thing. I told you I'm gonna do it. Hold it.
No.
You know, like that one guy that goes like this.
Here, put it in my arm.
Hey, yo, bro.
It just got violated. And there was a car driving by.
Hey, it's okay, bro. You got violated by the homie.
Dude, that was hilarious. Only if there's like another camera.
You probably made that driver's day, alright?
Yeah, that's pretty funny. But it did feel weird.
Damn it.
Wait.
Ta-da! Oh, is it loose already? What the fuck? Oh, my guy.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Looking at this,
Let's go ghetto as hell.
the guy didn't do a lot to it to help it.
Nah, not really.
There's nothing in there.
Uppies. There you go.
That's it?
Well, I gotta tighten the bottom one.
Oh, okay.
Which is...
That was super easy. Look, now the hood actually stays up.
doesn't fit.
Just finished installing the hood struts and we're gonna go get food because we're hungry. But yeah, we'll update when we go get our food. Initial taste test. Is it good?
Pretty good. I mean, I taste the lactate pills too, but... Well, let me get an actual taste of it. Oh, that's sweet. I could taste the cinnamon.
I told you. I think that, yeah, I like it though. I like how you're actually doing that. Alright, thoughts of the place.
Ugh.
So we got Mexican breakfast. I got
The machaca.
The machaca. I don't know what it is. I'm really uncultured, whatever. And we got iced coffee. Well, I got iced coffee. You got a burrito, right?
I also got iced coffee. We got the same thing.
So what did you think of the place?
Definitely recommend. I'd go again.
So this place is in Burbank. If you guys are like relatively close to Burbank, I would say you guys should come. But I mean, like if you guys are going in the morning, I would suggest like going on the Yelp app and reserving. You got a fart, huh? Wow, you're a scum. You're a scum. You're a scum. Alright, but yeah, I just want to say if you guys made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Anything else, my friend?
Get the coffee. Trust me. You won't regret it.
Oh yeah, happy birthday. Zilla.